You guys, I have a very special clean with me with the entire family. So you guys know the first thing I do is laundry. Justin's doing laundry for us. Thank you, my love. We have these storage bins for our Christmas decor, and now it's time to remove all the ornaments. And it's so cute because Liam and Jacob helped. Do you see little Jakey? Oh, he's so cute, and Liam. And you know, most of our ornaments don't break, so we just put it in like a shopping bag and into the storage bin, and that usually, you know, works. And then we like wrap the delicate ones in towels. I should probably get a storage container for that, but I didn't have one, so this worked. So I'm removing the white garland around the tree, and I'm gonna save that because I really liked it. But I think next year we're gonna get a fake tree, and I'm trying to convince Justin for me to get a fake white tree, or like the ones that look like it has snow. I love that. We do love the smell of a real tree though, but our cats, I think they're allergic or something. So the train set, Justin's just taking all the pieces away, and we kept the box, so we're gonna put it back in the box and store that in storage. We found the train set at a yard sale, and Justin was so excited because we wanted one forever. And now hubby's taking the lights and the stars out, and I actually went away for an hour. I had a doctor's appointment, so Justin's gonna take over for a little while. Here, Justin's taking away all the decorations by the fireplace. I really like the fireplace this year. I went really extra. And then we also have the menorah that we got from Auntie Jessica, Uncle Rick, and baby Sophia. And we're gonna take that one tree away from Michael's. A lot of the decor on this corner are from Michael's. I really love them. Now Justin's removing the decals. I really hope he saved this because I really liked it. Honey, did you save it? The decals?
I did.
Yay, thanks. Justin's right here next to me while I'm doing the voiceover. Do you see Jakey trying to help and my little Liam? Oh my goodness. I love this family clean with me. So Liam is removing the little holders for the fridge. Found that on Amazon. And now we're removing the water. Liam wanted to do it this way. He was having fun. And then Justin did the rest. And I'm back, you guys. So I'm just getting the stuff from the kitchen, the little Christmas decor, the little sweater wine holder, and now it is time to put that tree outside. I was trying to figure out what I was supposed to do to help Justin, but there was a little water, so I just put a towel around and all the pine needles, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the before of the floor, the pine needles. And look at my little man, he's over there vacuuming. So this Dyson vacuum is good, but for some reason the pine needles get caught. Justin empties it out and then it works again. Look at Liam, he decided, he's like, I'm gonna make a little pile and then I'm gonna vacuum. He is so adorable. And then I went and continued vacuuming, and now it's time to wipe everything down. I'm using the Method Lime Sea Salt Spray. I love that spray. You guys know I've been using that forever. I use it in a lot of my cleaning videos. It smells really good. Definitely recommend. And it doesn't leave a residue like some like all-purpose sprays. And you guys know me, I disinfect handles, I wipe down handles. And here I am just wiping down the fireplace with the kids, just running around. A lot of you guys ask most of the time, like, where are the kids when I'm cleaning? They're usually in daycare. It's winter break right now. But yeah, I usually like to do a lot of my cleaning while they're at daycare or preschool. I'm just wiping everything down. And here I'm vacuuming the stairs. And I decided like I really needed to vacuum it, so I vacuumed going up and then I vacuumed going down again just to like double it, and I vacuumed upstairs a little bit. And here I am going back down, and I've got my little slip-on shoes because I'm almost ready to mop. So here I am, I'm using my steam mop. I bought this on Amazon and oh my gosh, I have been missing out. I remember I was really into steam mopping and then I got really lazy because with steam mopping, you have to like plug it in everywhere. But I love steam mopping again because you don't have to use any products. The heat like sanitizes every surface that you steam mop. Definitely recommend it, and it's a really good price. And this steam mop, you can actually remove the handle and you can use it to like steam clothing or curtains or anything that you need to do. So check this out, you guys. You just remove it and put it in the washing machine, and it comes in a 2-pack, so you can buy more, but ugh, that looks so gross. Okay, so I found a really cool stainless steel polisher. It works really well. It's by this brand called Real Simple. I bought it on the Grove Collaborative site. So good. So this is our backyard. We store all of our Christmas, Halloween decor in those areas right there with the door open. And I also cleaned up this area too. I wiped down the counter, the table, and now it's time to do dishes. I'm gonna go ahead and put dishes away. I'm the type of person, like, I can't wait for it to cool down. I will just like deal with the heat and just like put it away because I want to put other dishes away too. Alright you guys, now it's time to load up that dishwasher. And now I'm gonna go ahead and scrub the sink nice and clean. I just love it when it's nice and shiny. And I'm just putting everything away, looking confused, and here I am just wiping all the counters down with that lime sea salt spray. I'm wiping all the counters here too. I see Justin outside with the kids. Do you guys see them? And then all of a sudden Jakey comes in. Hey Jakey! Hey Liam! They were asking for snack time. So here it is, snack time for the boys, taking a little break so that they can have a snack. This cleaning video took all day. We spent forever, and here we are Skyping with Bubby from Minnesota. Bubby is their grandma, we call her Bubby. Over here, I wanted to kind of shine the parts that Jakey and Liam can reach with their fingerprints. So I just took off everything like kind of midway down and I shined it with that amazing stainless steel spray. I haven't found one this good because I was using like orange glow, but this one works really well and it's meant to protect stainless steel too. And of course, you know, I gotta wipe it down on my famous trash, you know. I make fun, but a lot of people love that trash. That's why I call it my famous trash. And here I'm just picking up random toys, but I'm not gonna put them completely away because the boys are home for winter break, so it's just gonna be like tidied up a little bit. And here I'm talking on the phone with my mom, just checking on her. That's Jakey grabbing the phone. So that's it, you guys. That is my all-day clean with me with the family. That's how the living room is looking like. The floors are so clean. Definitely recommend that stainless, the steamer, the steam vacuum. And then, yeah, everything is looking nice and clean. And I'm so glad that we took all the Christmas decor away already.